Welcome back. I thought I'd do a short video on my first nice watch that I received from my wife. I want to say it was around 1997, a Tag Heuer 2000 series professional 200M. This is the classic three-hand stainless steel version with a black dial. Way back then, it retailed for around $600. It is water resistant up to 200 meters, has a sapphire crystal, and a unidirectional rotating bezel with signature Mercedes-style hands. I have replaced the battery many times, but just recently experienced a real problem with the date sticking just after having the battery changed out. And when I took it back in, they wanted $125 to fix it. As much as I like the watch, it still kept time, so it just went back on my wrist. The other day, I was at a mail call business and noticed an old retired Armenian watchmaker had set up a small booth. He fixed my watch in less than 10 minutes for $10. Damn. I almost forgot the next giveaway. The Casio F91W has a bit of a tarnished history. Al-Qaeda and other militant groups use the F91W as a timer for improvised explosive devices. So here's your chance to win one. Comment Casio and like this video. The winner must be in the US. So thanks for watching, and please like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Stay frosty, and take care.